back here on Steve's Caddy. First order of business this morning. Get rid of someone's silicone bomb so we can mount our proper water pump. Scrapey. We all know my rants with silicone, so I'm not even gonna start today. Not even gonna start. Because it just falls on deaf ears anyway. And all you people silicone the crap out of things anyway. And I gotta come in and fix it anyway. So, whatever. Here is our rebuilt pump. Fresh from Caddy Daddy. Original casting, so it has the deep. Did I mention the deep groove for the belt? Hooray. So, I'm going to flip this baby over, put a very light bead of silicone, not 14 gallons, and set our gasket, put a light bead of silicone, not 14 gallons, and then begin bolting this baby up and in. Alright. Have our correct pump in, bolted down. Finally, just wiping a little residue off here. This lower hose, I am not appreciative of how that looks. So I'm gonna order some hoses before we finish this. Not a fan of those hoses. Gotta get my phone out. But when you look down there, proper clearance. Imagine that. So I'm also gonna get you a fan clutch. Got a shoot video of the lower hose, by the way. But this thing's been sitting here in the trunk since the other day when we were over here. And I mean, it's scuzzy for one, but I picked it up to move it. So it was sitting right there on the hub. And it's, obviously it dribbled a little oil. And it's leaking. Ah, damn it. The bearing. So yeah, there's the icky in the lower hose. That spring is actually split in there. Anyway, on the positive side of things, I did put the belt on. And look what happens when you have the correct pump. Things actually fit. Wow. Oh, hold on. Wow. Look at that. Honest to God clearance. Well, that's a glorious sight. Clearance! Proper clearance! Miracles happen, everybody. It's called getting the right part. And knowing that your local vendors can't get you the right part. And the aftermarket ones with the notch don't have the right part because it's not deep enough. But this is perfection. Hooray!